Hi, why people buy stuff? Because it feels really good. And why does it feel good to buy stuff? Because of the value equation. So basically it is the dream multiplied by the likelihood divided by the time and multiplied by the effort. The idea is to get the top of the equation higher and the bottom of the equation as low as you can. Let's talk about the dream. The dream is what people want. The perfect idea that the person has about getting something, as how it's going to feel, how it's going to look, and the emotions that are going to be linked to that dream. Make sure that you enhance the sensation, the feeling, how it's going to change the life of that person. Basically, when we dream about stuff, we release dopamine, and dopamine makes us feel really good. And this is why we're dreaming about getting stuff all the time. Then we have the likelihood. The likelihood of us getting something is our logic. Is this really going to happen? Then make it crystal clear, step 1, 2, and 3, very simple, how the person does this and then does that, and finally it gets the dream. The other part of the value equation is what goes down in the denominator. So it's time. In the brain there is something called that we evaluate rewards, and the longer we have to wait for something, the less reward value it has for our brain. Shorten the time that it will take for that person to get it. It may take 6 months for you to deliver a service. However, you have stages along the way, and you can show the person in which stage the person is at. That already shortened times. The 6 months are still there, but the staging makes it feel shorter. And lastly, the effort. Try to make it feel like it's going to be effortless. And when you are able to enhance the dream, explain clearly how the person is going to get that, and lessen the time that it will take for the person to get it, and the amount of effort that the person will need to put in, when all of that makes sense, is when it makes it selling very easy.